Happy Veganuary, Day 10. I have some great news! Today, the Global Ocean Treaty entered into force. It is a landmark international agreement aimed at protecting marine life on the high seas, vast international waters where no single country has jurisdiction. These areas are crucial to sustaining life on the planet. What does it mean? It means countries promise to be bound by its rules for conserving marine life in international waters, making it legally effective to create protected areas, manage activities like fishing and mining, sharing marine genetic benefits, and becoming international law. Over 80 countries have ratified the Global Ocean Treaty, but Canada has not yet taken this crucial step. Canada has signed the Global Ocean Treaty, but must now ratify it, turning it into Canadian law, to secure a seat at the table during the world's first ocean COP later this year. Thank you to my friend Meg Randalls of Greenpeace for working so hard to ratify the treaty. Commercial fishing is incredibly damaging, and 2025 was the warmest on record for the heat content of the world's oceans. Ocean heat has increased by around 500 zettajoules, which is a billion trillion joules, since the 1940s, and our ocean and our corals are in crisis right now. Love the ocean? Here's 2 things you can do. Write to Canada's Minister of Foreign Affairs, Anita Anand, Minister of Fisheries, Joanne Thompson, and Minister of the Environment, Climate Change, and Nature, Julie Brusen, and ask all 3 to please ratify the Global Ocean Treaty. Another thing you can do is make vegan choices and leave the fish in the sea. Today I made fish pie, which sounds kinda crazy, but I can't wait to try it. It looks really good. That's good. Hello. And remember, together we can save the world. Thanks, bye.